Today we are making this delicious holiday appetizer. It's really an appetizer for any season, but this is really popular with us around the holidays. Sausage cheese balls. Easy to make and just so flavorful. Stay tuned.
And here are the ingredients that we'll need. There are only three. I am using the Tennessee Pride mild sausage. You can use hot if you like. My Bisquick and my medium cheddar cheese. We're going to heat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I am going to now just add my sausage to the bowl. And I've opened the package here, so I'm just going to dump this in. And then we're going to add in my Bisquick. Now I'm going to start with 1.5 cups of Bisquick. I don't want this too bready, so I'd rather just add in a little at a time. So I am just going to, with my handy dandy measuring cup here, just kind of, I don't want to estimate this, so I do when I have my measuring cup. I don't want to mess up these beauties. So I have 1 cup here. I'm just going to go ahead and add a half. All right, that is plenty. Then we're going to mix this around. And if I need more, I will definitely add that. But we're just going to get all the ingredients incorporated. And I'm going to add 2 cups of the cheese. All right, and all we're going to do here next is blend. All right, so we're just going to get in here and mix this together. Oops, without making a mess. Try not to do that. And I'll be able to tell with the first batch when I place it in the oven if it's too, more grease. I don't want it too oily from the sausage. I want to have that breading in there as well. So we'll just test the first batch and we'll see if I needed to add anything else. But I pretty much know what the consistency is. If you want more cheese, add it. I'm sorry about the noise there. That's Layla begging for some cheese. But yep, we're just going to get this blended well. And we're going to get this party started. As you can see, this is all well blended now. So it looks pretty good. See if you can see that. So you don't want to see any remnants of the Bisquick. You just want it well blended, okay? And again, we're just going to look at it and see how it's going to look for me with the first batch. So let's get ready to roll these beauties and place them on the baking sheet. Okay, my friends, I've taken my gloves off with clean hands, and I'm just going to take some of my sausage. Oops. And I'm not going to spray my pan because this is full of the sausage and it does not stick. It's going to produce its own. So I'm just going to place this here on the pan, and we're just going to do the same thing. And again, my oven is heated to 375 degrees, and we're going to let these cook for about 9 minutes. And again, we're going to check these first just to see if this is the consistency I like. It seems to be okay, but if I need to add a little more Bisquick, we can do that. All right, and I'm going to complete these, and I'll be back when we place these in the oven. All right, my friends, I have my first batch here placed on my cooking sheet, my baking sheet, that is. So I have quite a few. I'm fingers crossed that I don't need to add anything else, but again, feel free to add more cheese if you'd like. All right, so my oven is set at 375 degrees, and I'm going to allow these to cook until golden brown, which is usually between 9 and 11 minutes. Layla's wanting some cheese. You see her right here? Layla, you can't have the sausage. I'll give you some cheese. Hold on. You hear the sizzle? All right, we're going to let these cool for about 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll be right back. right, guys, it's important to remember I made a single batch. If you want to make a double batch, you'll just double the ingredients, which I'll have in the description box. But this is the rest of my batch. So we're just going to place these in the oven for another 9, maybe 10 minutes this time. I did leave my first batch in for 9 minutes, but I could have, left them in another minute just for them to be a little more brown. So we're going to leave these in for about 10 minutes instead of 9.
And here you have it, sausage cheese balls. They are so delicious and again, one of my favorites. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed week. Bye-bye.